Wala. This is ATA Radio. Ukhuluma noNcamiso Chamiso right here. Ngihleli no Mr. Solihle Ndlovu from the Development Service Unit, Skills and Capacity Development practitioner. Practitioner.
Yes.
Definitely. So yeah, there's a great initiative namhlanje we're having a maritime workshop. So uzozichazela kabanzi nje ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha eMekhonjini.
No problems zakhona. Sanibonani, Dumelani emakhaya. My name is Solihle, as umsasazi eseshile ngithulile. No, e-workshop that we are hosting today, it's a Maritime Teachers Workshop. So we are targeting all the maritime teachers within the province of KwaZulu-Natal. We recently did a study in the school that are offering maritime. So one of our findings was that in Ingilabo they do have a qualification as a teacher, but they do not have that background of the actual maritime. Hence, we decided to create this workshop to enlighten them. So, in fact, the purpose of this workshop is to strengthen them to understand the maritime sector and a career path within the maritime space.
Oh yeah, that's great. Since eMekhonjini, I know there's a lot of different things. I'm sure the workshop is supposed to cover yonke into eyenzakala lapha nama programs akhona mhlambe.
Yeah. Ngoba into esibheka kakhulu today, it's a ocean economy. Enama sectors amaningi enabo ilokhuzane aquaculture, aquaculture kuzoba khona oil and gas. Kuzoba khona izinto ezinjengo boats building and manufacturing. So ocean economy iphethe yonke le nto, so bazokwazi ukuthi baphume bene understanding ukuthi kahle if sikhuluma nge-ocean economy kukhulunywa ngani, if sikhuluma ngezinto ezinjengo aquaculture kukhulunywa ngani, sikhuluma ngezinto ezinjengo CMT, coastal and marine tourism kukhulunywa ngani, when sithinta izinto ezinjengabo diving yini sekukhulunywa ngani, nokufuya kofishi okuyi-aquaculture.
Sure. Okay. Aquaman now. Sengiyalibona igama la Aquaman ukuthi lisuka kanjani. Aquaman is one character emanzini uyifish yabo. So now I get it. So I'm sure there's a lot of career opportunities around the maritime industry.
Yeah, but there's a lot of careers within the maritime space, more especially Tina here in South Africa. We don't have much of armor vessels like other countries. So like imsebenzi khona kakhulu isehapa akudingi into eningi ukuthi uze uye esikole e-university uthola your 4-year degree. Kunama courses like skipper's license okhona ukuthi once wayithola, it's a 5-day course. Uthole license yakho ukuskipha amavessel, ivessel ke kumlaleli emakhaya, ivessel escape. So kulula kakhulu. Then siphinde sibe nezinto ezinjengobo commercial diving nayo izokunikeza it's a 3 months course, ne lapho khona class 4, class 2, class 3, class 2. So iyakwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukusebenza hapa uclean ama vessels lawa ngenayo.
Sure.
Lawa vessels esingenayo.
Okay. Well, without waste of time, let us look forward to the workshop. Before we go there, in the workshop, who are attending the workshop?
We have numerous of stakeholders. We have AMSOL. AMSOL is one of the large company in South Africa that does all the maritime stuff.
Sure.
Then we have Ports, Regulator of South Africa, those who are regulating the ports of South Africa. We also have KwaZulu-Natal Sharks Board, Maritime Center of Excellence. We have we were joined by the Department of Education. To name the few. I think there are some companies within the sector that will join us later.
Okay.
We also have Transnet is around.
Even Transnet. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay, friends, do not forget to like and subscribe. This is ATA Radio. We here at Moses Kotane Research Institute, Lababu 190 KE, Masina Road. The workshop is going on. Let us take us to.
Mhlambe nje umuntu eselithole leli thuba lasemsakazweni njengoba sesibheke emaholidini njengomuntu one-background enkulu kwi-life saving. So kuyisicelo sami ukuthi isikakhulukazi othisha emakhaya mase bevakasha endaweni ezinolwandle benze sure ukuthi izingane ngaso sonke isikhathi ziswima between the two red and yellow flags. Ingane ezalwayo yak12 lo muntu ufuna hlezi ehamba nomuntu omdala. So si amankwebevu singamix ibhukuda namankwebevu. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, dark suzwile lokho. Swile lokho.
Masithatha lolu hamo uyashuba masibala leminyaka siyaphela lesikhathi sithatha lolu hamo wajwa kuzolunga namathuluzi.
Hi guys, we're done with our workshop today. So right now we're taking our teachers on a practical ride in the harbor. And the main idea is to show them exactly if we're talking about a vessel, if we're talking about a boat, what exactly we're talking about, and also who is working as an artisan and what do they do exactly. So we're really excited about the trip. It's just going to take an hour and we're looking forward to it.
How to do a life jacket in case of emergency. This is what we call it, a life jacket. You take it and put it through to your head. There is sew rope on top. You join those sew rope as the way you do in your shoelace. There is sew rope down. You go behind yourself, exchange, and you come back forward and do the same thing the way you did on top. And please guys, while you're taking the pictures, do not sit in the railing, do not kneel in the railing. It's very high risk. And if there is anyone you smoke by the side of the boat or other side of the boat. And we've got a bound board. If you don't have something to drink, if you want to buy something, just walk this side straight. If you're inside, just go down there by the steps. You're going to be in the bar. You may enjoy it.
Thank you. You mean a lawyer?
My name is Theo from SSDBN High School. I'm a maritime economics teacher. Today we had a workshop that was organized by Moses Kotane Research Institute. It was quite informative with different institutions or different representatives from these institutions who came to give us an insight from their background, from the industry. So it was quite informative, and then at the end we had a boat cruise, which was very nice. Really enjoyed. We got to see everything that we taught our learners about, which is buoys, lighthouses, all the terminals, from container terminals, bulk terminals. So it was quite nice. We really gained a lot of information. We want to thank all the stakeholders as teachers that organized this workshop. Hopefully we go big next time. Thank you so much.